You think your salary is the solution. But what if your salary is actually the trap? Because every month, the same thing happens. The money comes in, and somehow it disappears. Rent, bills, food, subscriptions, a little shopping, a little treat yourself. And before you even realize it, you're back to waiting for the next paycheck. Now ask yourself something uncomfortable. If your income is increasing, why isn't your life changing? Let's talk about Jason Miller. Jason is 32. Lives in Chicago. Works a stable office job. Makes decent money, more than he ever imagined when he started. On paper, he is successful. But every month, Jason feels the same silent pressure. His bank balance never feels safe. He avoids checking it after the 20th. He tells himself, next month will be better. It never is. One night, Jason sits at his kitchen table staring at his bank app. $143 left. Payday is still 5 days away. And that's when something breaks inside his thinking. Not his situation. His thinking. Because Jason realizes something brutal. He is not broke because he earns too little. He is broke because his system is broken. Here's the trap nobody warns you about. When your salary increases, your lifestyle quietly increases with it. A slightly better apartment, a slightly nicer car, more food delivery, more small upgrades that don't feel dangerous individually, but destroy you collectively. This is called lifestyle inflation, but Jason didn't know that term. He just knew one thing. He was working harder but not getting ahead. Then came the twist. At work, Jason's colleague Mark was earning almost the same salary, same job level, same city, same opportunities, but Mark always seemed calm. No money stress, no panic before payday. Jason finally asked him one day, "How are you not struggling like I am?" Mark didn't smile. He didn't brag. He just said one sentence, "I stopped letting my salary decide my lifestyle." That hit harder than Jason expected. Mark explained something simple but brutal. Every time he got a raise, he didn't upgrade his life. He upgraded his assets, investments, side income, anything that could grow without his time. Jason had done the opposite. Every raise became a new expense. That was the real trap. Not low income, not bad luck, but unconscious spending tied to identity. Jason had been spending to feel successful, instead of building to become financially free. That night, he made a decision. Not emotional, not dramatic, but structured. He froze his lifestyle. No upgrades, no unnecessary new expenses. And he redirected even a small portion of his income into building assets. At first, nothing changed. Same job, same stress, same routine. But 6 months later, something shifted. Not dramatically, but noticeably. For the first time, Jason had money that wasn't already assigned to survival, and that changed everything. Here's the lesson most people miss. You are not trapped by your salary. You are trapped by your financial habits disguised as normal life. The real money trap isn't debt. It's comfort. It's the belief that earning more automatically means living more. Break that link, and you break the system. Because wealth doesn't start when you earn more. It starts when you stop upgrading your life every time you get paid.